Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. In this video, we will find out how rivers can change the shape of the land. The start of a river begins high up a hill or mountain. This is known as the source. The source is usually rainwater or snow rushing downhill. Eventually, the river will flow into the sea at a point called an estuary. On its journey from source to sea, the river can twist and turn, slowly changing the landscape. A river can wear down rocks as it flows. This is known as erosion. A river also carries small particles of rocks, sand, and soil along its course. This is known as sediment, which the river will drop off along its way. The upper course of a river will flow downhill, winding around hard rocks, which are too hard to erode. This can create a zigzag shape between mountains and hills. The river constantly bends and curves. This is called meandering. Sometimes water will flow over hard rocks and onto soft rock. As the soft rock is worn away through erosion, a waterfall is formed. As water flows around the corner of a river, it goes faster on the outside of the bend. As this happens, the riverbank on this side is slowly worn away, forming a steep bank known as a river cliff. The flow on the inside of the riverbank is slower, and the river leaves behind sediment. Over hundreds of years, the meanders of a river can become so bendy, the river will eventually change its course. We already know that the sediment will be dropped off on the inside of the river bends. Sometimes, as more sediment is dropped off, the river will take a more direct course. Eventually, enough sediment is dropped off to cut off this bend of the river, leaving behind an oxbow lake. Look at this map. What shapes do you see the river making? Do you notice any oxbow lakes? And so rivers can shape the land in a number of ways. By eroding rock and moving sediment. Rivers can travel over hard rock to create waterfalls and change their course to create oxbow lakes. For your hands-on activity, use sand and water to show how rivers can shape the land. For more information about this activity and more activities related to water, please go to handsoneducation.com Wonderful Water. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.